Hi everyone, today we're going to make these cute dinosaur plushes. Welcome to the DigiCat, where you can download and browse from our digital catalog full of PDFs for hand sewing crafts. Please visit our full Etsy shop, the link will be down below. For this project, you'll need some craft felt with matching embroidery floss, also some complementary colors, and black. You'll need some fiber fill, some markers, scissors, our template, which you can download from our PDF, a needle, and a pin. Also, some sort of stick to help you stuff the toy later. So don't forget to visit our Etsy shop and download this PDF, which will contain the pattern that you can print and cut out and then trace onto your craft felt. Then you're going to want to grab your black embroidery floss and needle to make a face. So for the eye, I'm going to make a colonial knot. Again, in our PDF download, we have embroidery stitch guide, which will give you step-by-step how to make this knot. And for the mouth, I'll just make a straight stitch. When that's done, you're going to grab a complementary color and you can make some details over here and over here on your dinosaur. For this dinosaur, I'm going to keep it simple and I'm just going to make a running stitch on its back and some running stitches on its neck. But after, when I do the purple dinosaur, I'm going to show you how you can get a little bit more creative. But that's it for now. So we're just gonna tie up those stitches and move on to the next step. Now, if you can grab some embroidery floss that perfectly matches your craft felt, then that'll be even better. But for this one, there's a little bit of contrast so you can see more clearly. Then using a back stitch, you can stitch all the way around the dinosaur, leaving a small opening at the bottom for stuffing later. Again, in our PDF download, there's a complete tutorial on how to do this stitch. Now that that's done, you'll grab some fiber fill. And for this little dinosaur, he has a really long neck, so you're going to want to maybe use your pokey stick to clear up the way first, and then use really tiny pieces of the fiber fill at a time and stuff them up there into the head and up the neck. And you want to, as you go, kind of squish it around, make sure it's not lumpy, and make sure to get in all the nooks and crannies like his tail and his feet. And then once that's all done, you can just go ahead and just stuff the whole thing. Once you think your plush is sufficiently plushy, you can go ahead and pin down the opening, grab the remainder of your floss, and then finish it off with a back stitch. Then all that's left is to grab your favorite pair of shears and cut them out. And there you go, one cute yellow dinosaur plush. Again, you can make this in any color that you like, and you can also get creative with it, with the details on the back and the neck, like I did with this purple dinosaur. Thank you so much for following along in my tutorial. If you did purchase this PDF and pattern on Etsy, make sure to leave a review and post a picture of your creation. I would love to see your interpretation on this design and how maybe it inspired you, and I just would love to see what you made. Thank you so much for watching here on YouTube. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel because next week we'll be making a swan toy.